If you're trying to capitalize on Facebook Reels, one of the best things I can tell you as far as advice goes is try to be more niche specific. A lot of times when you're coming up with a niche, it might be too broad, but try to be more niche specific. While you're doing this, keep in mind, if you're doing YouTube, the shorts, and they're not working out, Facebook Reels is really where it's at right now. And you're at a point now where Facebook is paying you for posts, they're paying for text, they're paying for Reels, but I can tell you if you want the most advantage to being seen, it's gonna be with the Facebook Reels. Now, I've had a lot of success with this, and I don't take it lightly because I've done a lot of different things online video-wise and side hustle-wise, but Facebook Reels is really where it's at. I've got a free PDF that you can check out that's going to kind of give you some tips to how to really get further faster when getting involved with Facebook and monetization. But I will say, be niche specific, make sure you know your audience, make sure that you are not taking from somebody else and just splicing somebody else's videos together and making them your own, because that is anything but original, and Facebook will frown upon that, and you may not even get into the program. But I can tell you it's a very lucrative program if in, but be sure to head to the description box below where you can find a little bit more about it. This cool PDF I put together, you won't find it anywhere, I guarantee you, on the web, and it's really helped out in the sense I wanted to share what I learned, which you can learn as well. So enjoy, see you in the next video.